What's going on, everybody? Jordan here, back for another video. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing some stuff from Cal Clothing. Let's get started. Alright, so about 2 weeks ago I ordered a few things from Cal Apparel, which is owned by Calhoun, who's an independent rapper and country artist. Alright, let's move on to what I'm going to discuss in this video. Alright, so in this video I'm going to be discussing some info on Cal Clothing, some info about Calhoun, unboxing what I got, showcasing you guys, showing you guys what I got, and then wrapping up this video. Let's talk about Cal Apparel. Alright, so Cal Apparel is based in New Lenox, Illinois, founded in 2019 by independent rapper Calhoun. All products, minus the hats, are made in America, designed, sewn, printed, and cotton from America. And then their mission is to stand and support the fearless men and women who always show up. Through hard work, grit, and determination, the patriotic blue-collar community is keeping America running. Get out and hustle, be about it. The vision and values statement is hustle, hard work, respect, and loyalty. Just a few of the values that we hold dear, and this is what America is built off of. Continue this tradition and build an America we can all be proud to call home. Yeah, basically patriotic, high-quality apparel. It's designed to last, made in America. Let's talk about Calhoun. Alright, so Calhoun is an American independent rapper, artist. He's also a content creator on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, combined following of over 4 million people. He's born in 1980, former blue-collar factory worker in southern Chicago. He started doing videos on social media that ended up going viral and have led to him becoming a successful content creator. And then his music career started in 2018 with his first album, America, which was released on March 13th, 2018. Fire album, by the way, if you haven't listened to it, check it out. And he released his second solo album, The Throne, in November 2018, followed by War in July 2018. So 2 albums in 2018, and then his first collab album, Hooligan, with Ryan Upchurch, also a great album. November 25th, 2019, he released Billy Goat on March 24th, 2020, and his second collab, Legend, with Struggle Jennings on June 9th, 2020. He has 2 albums in 2021, Pressure on January 30th, Outlaw Shit with Struggle Jennings on April 30th, and then his latest album is his 4th collaboration album. On March 4th, 2022, Tom McDonald and Calhoun released the Brave, which I actually have right here in CD. Super fire album. It's also on Spotify, as well as all other streaming services. Awesome music, definitely worth checking out if you haven't already. I assume most of you have, but if you haven't, check them out. I'll have all his links down below. Next, let's talk about these products. Alrighty, so let's talk about these products. Yeah, so I got the Tough Pocket Tees, which come in 6 colors: black, charcoal, dark ash, green, yellow, orange, and wheat. And they each cost $30 US. Mystery t-shirts are $15 US. I also ordered, I ordered 2 of those. Feature random Cal Clothing designs. So I'm really excited to see which ones I got. And I also ordered a Heather Charcoal Cal canvas hat. Yeah, let's check these out. And then I'm going to shoot some photos wearing each of these products. I'm going to add that into this video as well, so you'll see that right after this unboxing. Yeah, let's check out these products. Alrighty, here we go. So we got a nice box. Cal Apparel. Got my Kentucky knife, my name on it. I actually got when I drove through Kentucky a few years ago, which is where Calhoun's family is originally from. Let's get in this box. Alrighty, here we go. Got everything nicely put in the box there. Starting out, this is probably the nice. This is one of my mystery shirts. This is the Dirty Hands, Clean Money Cartel, Hustle and Respect. Really cool design. Nice and soft. You like the quality. Cal Clothing, made in America. Yeah, really soft shirt. Established 1980. That's when Calhoun was born. Really, really cool stuff. Put that over here. Next, we've got, this looks like my other mystery. Yeah. So we've got just a simple Cal on the front. Super dope, nice blue. And then I got the Tough. Oh yeah, this is my yeah, it looks like I got three of the Tough line. This is the one without the pocket tee. Yeah, super nice. I find these lighter than some of the other shirts that I've gotten. Yeah, Tough as well. Just simple logo on there. Yeah, super fire. Yeah, and then this is the Tough pocket tee. Yeah. Nice pocket on the front there. Super dope, nice heavy, high quality material. And then last but not least, we've got the Cal Apparel hat. Super cool hat. Pull these stickers off and get all the stuff out of here. Yeah, Cal patch on the front. Velcro to loosen and tighten it. Gonna rock this for the rest of the video. And then last but not least, Ah, nice. Couple of stickers. Cal Tough. Built Tough, Built American. Super dope. Probably put that on my water bottle. And then, what do we got here? Legacy, you don't get bothered on the job. Shoulder taping. Outlast the job. Double needle stitch to last in tough conditions. Tubular knit design to help keep you cool. Pocket version to keep your extra shit. Absorbing hypoallergenic, so there's no excuses. Cal Tough line is 100% made in America. Cal Tough is made by Americans for Americans that work tough jobs. Clothes ready for work with the calluses on your hands. For the men and women that build America every day, whether your weekend starts on Friday when you clock out, you work 7/12s. We're here all year round putting out quality clothes for hardworking Americans. At Cal, we're putting the America back into American workwear. Yeah, little card there. I'll have a closer look shot of that. Super, super dope. That's just my order form, which we don't see. But yeah, so that's the stuff I got. This hat, 4 shirts. Let's wrap this video. Alrighty, so wrap this video. Really high quality stuff so far. I'm gonna rock all this over the next few days. Super dope hat. T-shirts are all really high quality. Cal Tough pocket tee. Really nice, heavy material, nice and solid. Made in America. Really, really, really awesome. Made by Americans, which is always nice. I'm Canadian, but I do appreciate that for sure. Yeah, and this is from the Tough line with non-pocket design. But yeah, so this is the other one that I ordered, and then these other two were the mystery ones that I got. Yeah, and then this blue, really, really, really nice color. Just Cal on the front, simple and straightforward. Yeah, nice and light, high quality material. And last but not least, this one's cool. This is Dirty Hands, Clean Money Cartel, Hustle and Respect on the back. Really soft, nice material on this one. Yeah, made in America, super, super nice. Yeah, check out Cal Apparel down below, Cal Clothing, as well as Adam Calhoun's social media, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and then his all his music streaming platforms. Check out his album, The Brave. Stay tuned for, I think he's releasing one more album this year. Yeah, definitely subscribe to his YouTube, follow him on Instagram, follow him on TikTok, tons of different places. Yeah, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Leave a like on this video, comment down below if you own anything from Cal Apparel, or if you don't, if you're planning to buy something, or if you listen to Adam Calhoun, what your favorite album is, favorite song. Yeah, thanks for watching this video. I'll be back for more soon. Peace.
Spray can, black paint, looking ready. She gets me where I gotta go. Oh, Black Betty. Digging holes, loading dirt, driving nails. Got a bunch of stickers on this old lunch pail. Yeah, hard hat with a flag on the back. And if you don't like that, then it's fuck you, Jack. Get it in till it's time to go. Clock out, get on down the road. This old truck gets me where I gotta go, but she only plays rock and roll. Tough shit, hard work every day. I ain't gotta